Hi, I'm Mustard, and welcome back to today's grand challenge. We'll take once again 3 random character design ideas from my shorts and smoosh them all into a new OC. So with that out of the way, let's roll the lucky traits. Nice! So this time we got Pastel Harlequin Mask, Dinosaur Tail, and Hot Target and Arrows. And I know just what to do with them. So let's get sketching. This is quite an interesting combo, but I think they're perfect for a circus-themed OC. This time, I wanted to design a magical circus clown, so the vibe has to be whimsical and fun, not spooky. We don't want any creepy clowns roaming around just yet. First up, let's tackle these prompts. Pastel Harlequin Mask gives cozy vibes to me, like a gentle, colorful face with light lavenders with soft pinks in that whimsical mask it wears. This mask was a gift from the ringmaster who saw the kindness in him. It is enchanted to boost his happy aura towards the audience. I'm also adding some star motifs to the design to give him a magical sparkle, like his earring and his belt. Then, we also have Dinosaur Tail. My brain immediately goes to something fluffy and cheerful. Maybe a spiky tail with the same spikes as his horns that wags when he's happy will be perfect. It adds that perfect beastly but cuddly element. Maybe back in the forest, this tail helped him balance on trees, but now in the circus, he uses it to juggle extra balls mid-air. But the real challenge is going to be the hard target and arrows. It's a bit tricky, so let's make it sweet. What if the heart isn't a target for pain, but a symbol of his massive open heart, and the arrows aren't weapons, but something magical? I think we can probably make this work if we do it right. So I'm drawing a big, colorful heart on his chest like a bullseye, with colorful arrows playfully stuck in him. We want a nice clown, not a walking pincushion. For now, I'm thinking of soft pastel colors for the character, so the vibe has to be whimsical and fun, almost dreamlike. But to keep him from looking almost washed out, I'm giving him little magenta accents in his design, like his heart and his belt. I think I'll name him Pip. Yeah, Pip. Alright, the concept art is finished. Let's clean this up with some nice line art and some color and bring Pip to life. I'm picturing a silly clown performing in the Circus of a Thousand Wonders. It's a mystical big top that only appears under a lavender moon. Its tents woven from starlight and gold. The performers aren't just talented, they're literally made of magic. While we continue sketching the scene, let's give him a bit of a story. Pip wasn't always a performer. He was a gentle forest creature who lived in an enchanted forest. One day, he followed the sounds of a mysterious music and stumbled upon the Circus of a Thousand Wonders, where he discovered his unique talent for juggling not just objects, but emotions. Oh, that gives me an idea for the arrows. In the Circus of a Thousand Wonders, when the audience truly loves a performance, their joy manifests as these little arrows of affection that harmlessly find their way to Pip. They don't hurt at all. They're like physical compliments, and since Pip's heart is so big and open, he collects more than anyone else. They're a badge of honor. I wanted his pose to be dynamic, so I have him positioned mid-juggle on a circus stage, with one hand up, the other down, and his dino tail swooshing around. And now, for the fun part. Colors! The background is a magical circus stage at twilight. I'm thinking of adding an almost rainbow candy color scheme, almost like lollipops and marshmallow themed, with some golden touches to give that magical feel to the whole stage. This will make Pip's pastel colors really pop and make the scene look like literal eye candy. And we can't forget drawing the crowd. What's the point of performing in a circus if there is no crowd? After wrestling with a pastel mask, a dinosaur tail, and a chest full of loving arrows, it's finally finished. Our magical clown is ready for his grand debut. But before I show you the result, don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, ready for the grand reveal? Ta-da! And there he is, our sweet little clown Pip. Isn't he adorable? I honestly had my doubts about how these prompts will fit together, but I think our silly clown fits perfectly in the Circus of a Thousand Wonders in the most magical way. But what do you think? Should I do more with Pip and the circus? Or if you want to see more wild character ideas turn into more OCs, let me know in the comments down below. Stay creative and see you next time. Bye!